Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to bring you up to date on the bathroom model. As you can tell, the door frame has been installed. I used this Swedish pre-primed boards. They were a little bit more than just regular pine, but there's no knots. It's clean and it's pre-primed, and it was a lot straighter. So that's what I did with a 1/8 inch reveal around the door. There'll be a barn door here eventually to take care of that. But as you can see, I've taken care of some of the install. All of the water resistant drywall has been painted to the white. It's an interior semi-gloss, so it should be scrubbable and it should be good. All of the base trim has been installed and caulked. For water, as you remember, my membrane goes up to the side, so in case there's a water intrusion, then it would be protected from any water going into the studs. That's all PVC, so it shouldn't. There's no rot. It's not MDF or pine, so it should be good. For the flooring, I went with, if you can tell. Oh, before I forget, all the plumbing cutouts, I put the caps on them, so I just got to cut it and put the valves on it. But same for the sink and the drain. I just got to do that. The wiring for the light. This is the fan. This is the main light. We still got to get a mirror, the heated mirror for this room. I got one on order, and then we'll put the outlet there, and that's on the GFI. But anyways, I went with this tile for the main. This is a gray wood looking tile. It was basically $2, under $2 per tile, so per square foot. It's a 6 by 24, and it went down pretty quickly, and it was pretty easy. I didn't have to use that much, and we know that the marble. This is the marble for the shower. This is the one that they picked out, so that's what we went with. There's the nook. Remember that I did an extension on it, and I used one of those floor tiles to fit it in, so that's what that looks like. But I installed a handle, okay, for the shower wand. We still got to clean up this area, but there's the control valve. Everything is flush, okay. Shower head, control, okay. And then the control. The water's not on yet because it's not. But remember, this was the side that I put the remainder of the 1/4 inch hardy board. I wish I took this the curdy piece and brought it out a little further, but that was a mistake. I'm gonna have to live with it. So I trimmed it up here, and I actually painted a little bit, and so hopefully that'll hide the majority of it. But going to the skylight, to the top, the shower head, the rainfall, that all mounted easy. And then the trim that's around there to hide the difference between the tile and where it meets. So that's it. And it's not perfect, but you know, to the basic eye, it's going to be okay. Drywall, here's more of that curdy trim. It does make a nice transition, and this is where we are at the shower. So basically, I need to get a toilet installed here. I need to get the basin. I do have the granite sink with the undermounted sink. I just got to get a support. So I'm just trying to think what would make the best support, because there's not a lot of room in here. I don't want a full cabinet vanity because then it would eat into this space. So trying to make the best, you know, decision. We'll see what we actually end up with for that. But this is just a quick update to tell you where we've come, how far we've come, and to give you kind of an overview of what this shower actually looks like now. And I think they're going to be happy with it. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a great day. Take care now.